Just a warning, heads up, I obviously wouldn't wear all of these highlights on my face like this as a regular day. I'm just doing this for the purpose of the video, just so you know. Just wanted to put that out there. Okay. Hi, it is I, Mrs. Harris. Welcome back to my channel. If you are already a subscriber, if you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. But before you do anything, let's just get something clear. If you look down and your subscribe button is red, then you need to tap it so it's gray. Then to the right of the subscribe button, there is a little bell. Click that, and also make sure you click all so you can be notified of all of my uploads. Alright, now that we got that done, we in the clear. If your subscribe button is gray, you already subscribed. You doing good out here. Alright, don't worry about nothing. Don't worry about nothing. Make sure that bell notification is on though, because you want that on, because you want to be notified of all of my uploads. Okay? Alright. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Okay, so this palette is not new. This palette came out in 2017. I did not pick it up. I don't know why, because I like Nicole and I was subscribed to her back then, so I don't know why I didn't pick this palette up. I think I was just thinking like it wasn't gonna look good on me, but you know, here we are, 2020, it's being re-released, and I'm like, if it's being re-released, I should probably go ahead and get it. This is my chance. This is my chance to cop it. So, here it is. This is what the palette looks like. If you guys don't know who Nicole Guerriero is, I will post a picture of her here. So this is Nicole. She has released this palette back in 2017 with Anastasia Beverly Hills. You know what? I don't know what happened, but it's back out in 2020 and I got it. I don't think I picked it up the first time because I thought it wasn't gonna look good on my beautiful brown skin. But here we are, and I'm gonna see what it looks like. I'm gonna try to use all 6 colors on my face today. So here is the palette right here. It comes with 6 different highlighting shades. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see. I don't know why I thought this wouldn't look good on my skin tone. I think I'm gonna be fine. First things first, I really feel like I want to put Forever Lit in my inner corner. This shade here, pop that right there. Oh, yep, that's cute. I like that. So yeah, I'm gonna pop that here. And I did not wet my brush at all. This is so pretty. I knew that was gonna bring some life to this. I knew it. Wow. And if I wet my brush, I'm sure it would be even more intense, but I don't want to wet it. I'm gonna leave it dry. I am now going to go into Daydreamer, which is this color here, and I'm gonna add that to my brow bone, right under my brow at the highest point. Ooh, yeah, boy. That's cute. Yeah, I like that. I feel like I should zoom you guys in just a little bit more, just a little bit more. I'm focusing most of the color right under the arch of my brow and then just blending it outwards. For my cheeks, I'm gonna go into Kitty Cat, and that is this shade right here. Whoa, all right, okay, wasn't Wasn't ready. Alright, I'll get ready. Wow. Can you guys see that? Ooh, boy. Alright, I'm just gonna blend this out. Usually, I would take my highlight and bring it up here and highlight above my eyebrow and then here as well. But for the sake of the video, I'm actually going to put a different color there. So I'm just putting Kitty Cat here on my cheek only. I'm going to go into Glow Getter, which is this goldish shade here. And I am going to put that above my eyebrow. I'm just going to dust a little. Oh, that's pretty. I probably should have put that on my cheek. I'm not going to do too much of this color. But that is really nice. Very glittery, but not overdone. But there's definitely, I can see the gold glitter that I mentioned in this. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go into Forever Young and I'm gonna add that to my nose. So I don't use highlight down the full part of my nose. I just add a little bit to the tip here and then a little bit right in between my eyes a bit. Just a warning, heads up, I obviously wouldn't wear all of these highlights on my face like this as a regular day. I'm just doing this for the purpose of the video, just so you know. Just wanted to put that out there. Okay. I know you guys can see I already have lip gloss on. That's okay. That's fine. Alright, so lastly I'm going to go into 143 and I'm going to put this color right on my Cupid's bow area just to highlight my lip a little bit more. Make it look like I got a Cupid's bow or something like that. Because I don't. It's not there. Okay, it is there. I do have a Cupid's bow. We are done. Full face Nicole Guerriero palette. It's here. We're done. We are here. I hope you guys like that. I really do enjoy this palette. It is, you know, okay, there are some very nice colors in this palette. Can I use each and every color out of this? Clearly I can. Will I use every color out of this every time I do my makeup? Probably not. I probably would lean more towards, I really do like Forever Lit that I have here in my inner corner. Really, really pretty color. Love it. I really like Kitty Cat. I definitely like Glow Getter. I like 143 and I like Daydreamer. Forever Young is a little bit on the silvery side. It doesn't like flatter me that well, but I feel like I made it work for the most part. These highlighters to me seem to be very, it's not chunky glitter, but they're definitely glittery. That's not bad. I mean, if it's bad if you're not looking for that. But they are glittery, but they're very pretty as well. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you did not get this palette, why not just give it a try? Go ahead, order it. You ain't got nothing to do. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, make sure you do so. If your subscribe button is red, you're not doing good out here. Hit it and make it gray. I'll see you guys later. Bye.